Hey guys, welcome back. For today's look, it's not going to be anything long. I will just be showing you how I achieved this blue glitter liner here using some loose glitter. So if you're interested in seeing that, then you can continue to watch this short video. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'll just be using these brown shadows from my Sephora Color Wonderland palette, just to give it a little look. Nothing too great, I just wanted to create like a little base that I could use the shadow on. And then I'll just be blending that out with this shade here from my Black Radiance contour palette. And then after that, I'll be taking my NYX glitter primer, and I'll just be placing some of that on the back of my hand. And then with this angled brush, I'll be dipping it into this loose blue glitter. And then, yeah, I'll just apply this like I would a regular gel liner right there on my lash line to create a wing look. And basically, that is it. Alright, now just for fun, I'll be adding this blue clean color liquid liner on my lower waterline, and I'll just be, placing some blue eyeshadow also from my Color Wonderland palette from Sephora into my inner tear ducts. I'll be just placing that same brown shadow also that I used on my lids, on my lower lids. And yeah, I'll be blending it out with that same transition color that I used um from my Black Radiance palette to just give it a little look. And yeah, that is it. I also decided to add a little a little design in the center of my forehead, and I'll be adding some mascara after I placed some lashes on, and that is it for this look. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.